Guys, if you guys really want to take a picture of my underwear,
This is great.
quit.
Fuck that, man.
Quit it.
This is what happens when you don't sleep enough.
Yeah, his stomach up. Hey, his shirt up and his stomach is coming out.
Got this face going.
Nah.